So all these frames on the bottom stuck pretty hard to the top of the top box. Let me. Man, son of a gun, that is heavy. Alright. Little smoke here. More here. These look like they haven't messed with a little bit on the side, like they'll be maybe chewed up and gone. 5, 10 frames. I'm gonna pull this frame out. Give it a look. This is the outside edge here. Look at that propolis up there on the top. It's actually on the bottom. You can see where my hive tool was at right there. That divot where honey's dripping, and you can see where the strip, that clear spot. There's comb underneath there, but there's nothing there to. And then the store, I'm gonna just do this, lay it down. Now I got kind of some room. To get these out. Sticking. What I want to do? Try here. Nope. I got to take it out. Alright. It's a lot of work to get one of these out now. I'm just telling you, this is. Oh, that's more propolis down there in the front. I'm not sure what they're doing with it. Let's take this out. Alright. Come on now, baby. It can't be easy, can it?